What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff, and today I'm going to show you how to resize images for any purpose, really. It could be for WordPress or YouTube, wherever. So let's just say you're getting a file size too large. You might be bumping into this problem and you're like, okay, how do I resize this? For example, if you download off of Shutterstock, so I have a Shutterstock license, I've downloaded this image. There's a couple ways that I can go about doing this. Number one is I can screenshot the image, right? So let's just say I wanted to screenshot. I just go right here and I can screenshot it and adjust the size. Okay, so the good thing about screenshotting it is I get a fresh set of metadata, right? But you can see it's going to be 1958 by 1065 pixels. Once I actually have the screenshot saved, I need to resize it, right? So I'm going to go over here to Tools. This is using a Mac, by the way. I'm going to go to Adjust Size. Then I want to make sure that it's on pixels, because if it's on inches or points or cm, you might have a problem. So I'm only dealing with pixels. I want to make this about 750 because that's going to create a lower size image resolution for the website, making it easier to upload. So I'm going to go right here and you can see it's already been resized. So now I'm going to upload it, right? So once I upload it, there it goes. I'm not going to have a problem of it saying that it's going to have an HT access or a HTTP access problem, because this is a small file. It'll upload without a problem. It might take a minute, but you won't bump into any errors. So if it was over 1000 pixels, it wouldn't upload. Now, if let's just say I wanted to resize it after the fact, I go right here to where it says edit, and I can resize it again by doing edit image, right? So I can add shutterstock.com. I could put Monument Valley, obviously putting in the metadata. I could put it in even in the description, but I'm not going to do this. And I can hit edit image. I could go right here. I could make it 720 if I wanted. It's going to change that automatically. So I'm going to hit scale. Then I'm going to hit update. So what I've got is I've got a screenshot, basically. You don't have to do it this way. You can use the original download and resize that. But when you do a brand new clean screenshot, it comes with brand new metadata, so that when you download it off Shutterstock, it's already got metadata built into it. That's why it's already titled, got a title, and it says Shutterstock. This screenshot comes with completely fresh metadata, and it's really good for SEO in my opinion. And so you can see that's how you resize it. So if you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll try to do my best to answer. But this is how you resize for WordPress, or really resize any image depending on whether it's YouTube or whatever you want to use it for. See you guys next time.